Meaning of yong.
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 Yong. Yong is a Chinese-style omelette typically made with beaten eggs, various vegetables, such as onions, mushrooms, bean sprouts, and carrots, and often includes meat or seafood. The ingredients are mixed together and cooked in a hot wok or frying pan until the eggs are set and the dish is lightly browned. The end result is a delicious and satisfying dish that can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It is commonly served with steamed rice and a flavorful sauce on top, such as sweet and sour or soy sauce.